I thought it might help if I showed you guys the graphing calculator on this one. For one thing, it asked for increasing or decreasing, so I really just wanted to show you. I've got the function here, and I zoomed in on it. One thing you need to know, so you put the function in your y equals, and he gave the function 4 times the quantity x plus 3 all cubed, then a minus 5, and then a hit graph, and I played around with it till I got this great looking function here. And then if you click your trace button, it will give you a little spider. And so what you want to do with the little spider is, if we are talking about increasing or decreasing, you only answer with x's. Okay, so every answer will be x's and everything will be parentheses. So I'm going to go way down here, way down to the left, and it just keeps going way, way, way down forever and ever. So you're always going to do the function from left to right. So let's say it's way down there. It says -6 right now, but let's just say it's down at -60. Then it increases as it gets closer and closer and closer up to the x-axis. It still is getting closer and closer, and it still is getting closer and closer. That's still a steady increase. So it's increasing from -infinity all the way down there. Now remember, you're just looking at these x values. And does everybody see that it's going to actually increase forever? So it's increasing from -infinity, which is way down here, way over here, whatever that x is, way out, way, way, way out to the left. So -infinity, put your finger on it, and it's going to increase forever from way down there to way up at the top. So where it's asking for increasing and decreasing, this function is increasing from -infinity to infinity, and it never decreases. It would only decrease if it went downward somewhere. So maybe if it went up here and then went down. We can go a little further up and make sure it doesn't go down anywhere, and it's not. It's continually going up and up and up and up and up. You can tell by this X right here. It's continually going up forever. So that domain, not domain, excuse me, so it's increasing from -infinity to infinity. Only put your X values and only use parentheses.